It's not bad. You can taste kind of like the sage in it.
Yeah. I was waiting for you to test it. I was like, sorry.
It's okay. How does yours taste?
It's good.
What you get?
Vanilla, honey. Can't really mix it. The honey's at the bottom.
Oh, he got a vanilla honey oat
Yeah, you can't
latte.
mix it without no straw.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
No one wants the wicked good news.
Hopefully she gets
Just open it sideways.
the other one that she actually wants this time.
Oh my god. This is like, what, 4?
Yes.
Please, Lord. Finally!
Oh my gosh!
My girl!
Finally she got her.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
But I have to get her while she sleep. I can't get her when she awake.
I mean, this is the best it's gonna
Bro,
get.
it really is. Frankie Moo.
Oh my god.
Honestly,
So we
this
had
is good
a
options.
buy one, get one
They
free.
look
So
cute.
this is the free one that they gave us because Bria bought the peach riot one.
We have a promotion. Yeah, it is. Which one is it? If it's the panda one, it'll be funny. No, it's not, but he's still cute though.
Oh, this is cute.
Let's blow bubbles.
Oh, it's cute.
Are you sure you don't want this? She has an
It's for you. Oh, it comes with a little elephant thing.
He has an elephant too.
That's cute.
That's cute.
Wow.
That ain't gonna undo me. To each one start with one defuse. Always one defuse.